Welcome to the retreat at Boyertown Farms, a community surrounded by the beauty of Gilbertsville, Pennsylvania. This tranquil retreat marries nature's serenity with the conveniences of a close-knit community, offering a haven from the bustle of city life. Here, life flourishes with endless possibilities, whether it's exploring the trails within the community, a leisurely walk, or a scenic bike ride on the nearby Perkiomen Valley Trail. Local amenities include the Colebrookdale Railroad, where vintage locomotives carry you through history, and the Daniel Boone Homestead, where the famous frontiersman once lived. For those craving outdoor pursuits, Green Lane Park awaits. Hike through lush trails, cast your line for fishing adventures, kayak along tranquil waters, or pitch a tent under the stars for a memorable camping experience. Enjoy access to some of the most magnificent golf courses, a vibrant arts and culture scene, and delightful eateries. Retreat at Boyertown Farms is located just south of Route 100 and is within 30 minutes of King of Prussia and Reading, PA. Whether it's the thrill of outdoor escapades, the allure of historical journeys, or the warmth of a vibrant community, the retreat at Boyertown Farms offers a lifestyle that cherishes every moment. Come live your best life in a home designed by you and built for you at the retreat at Boyertown Farms. Welcome home.